All right, everybody, Brian from Steeda with Glenn Hot Shoes Vitale here from Steeda.com. Out testing our 2018. We've got a road race K-member on here. Also added some Kooks long tube headers. Running with the advanced group at Hooked on Driving, Palm Beach International Raceway. And lo and behold, imagine this, we're out here with some Mustangs, some GT350s. Some of our favorites to pick on. Let's see how we do. So our K-member lightens the car about 26 pounds or so. It's about 26 pounds lighter than the factory K-member. Working through some final designs. It's not only going to stiffen up the car, it's also going to give some more room. So down the road, if you want a twin turbo, do any other setup, you can. All right, now, mid-range responsiveness on these headers is phenomenal. Pulls right up the red line. Just a couple laps in, we're chasing down a ZL1. Been big fans of Kooks for a long time because their finish and quality and fitment is all spot on. And while the performance, just listen. Now this particular car features our dual rate springs and our adjustable Pro Action struts and shocks. Very predictable through the corners. The amount of cornering grip is incredible. My neck is getting tired. We're also running Nitto NT01 tires on this car. A little extra grip, but we drive this car on the street. So it's really important to have a setup that we can drive to and from the racetrack, because you know that's what a lot of you do yourselves. See a Corvette ahead of us. Glenn has definitely got his sights on him. Hard on the brakes, using our two-piece brake rotors and aftermarket Hawk brake pads so they can put up with the additional heat, coming down from 150 plus miles per hour on that back straightaway. Now we've also installed our sway bars on this car so we can adjust the front and rear balance for either a little more push, a little more oversteer, depending on if the track is tighter, looser, faster corners, slower corners. Balance of the car feels perfect. Glenn's got it under control.